Oregon Painting Contractors, Cascade Painting and Restoration. Phone number 503-936-3255. Please call today for a free estimate and consultation on your painting project. We do commercial painting projects such as this Pathway School in Gresham, large commercial interior painting projects, and institutional painting work like the projects we did for Lansu Chinese Gardens in downtown Portland. Our main emphasis, however, is still residential house painting, both exterior and interior painting in the greater Portland metro area. Please call 503-936-3255 today for a free consultation and estimate at your convenience. Thank you.